JavaScript's group method silently converts your numeric keys to strings, even when they're clearly numbers, breaking numeric sort order and causing subtle bugs. Declares a constant named arr and initializes it with an array containing 3 integer values 1, 2, and 10 in that order. Invokes the group method on arr using a callback that returns each element unchanged as its own key, relying on default coercion behavior for group key generation. Outputs to the console the result of the grouping operation performed in the previous line, displaying the resulting structure for inspection or debugging. Calls the group method again on arr, but this time uses a callback that converts each number to its string representation and explicitly disables coercion behavior via the options object set to coerce false. Group always returns string keys. Use a mapping layer or custom key generator to preserve numeric semantics. Subscribe for daily coding videos.